Igbo mụrụ nze m ọzọ, anyị ekene unu ọzọ n'ụbọchị uhuruchi tata. Anyị sị unu ụtụtụ ọma, efifie ọma, mgbede ọma, site na ngara ebe isi wee na-esoyere anyị n'iru akwụkwọ n'ụbọchị nke taa na Igbo midia, bụ ebe anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ ife gbara ọkpụrụkpụ na-eme na ana Igbo dị iche iche, obodo dị iche iche na ana Igbo na obodo nke anyị nọ n'ime ya. Dịka o si dị, ọbụna nke a bụ mgbọsị izizi gị ị na-esonyere anyị n'iru akwụkwọ na Igbo midia, ekabalụ ka imetụ aka n'ebe a na-acha red and subscribe ọ, share ekwe ya, gbakwa ụmụnne anyị ndị ọzọ ka fa anyị na-esonyekwara anyị n'ihe anyị na-eme.
With you, you've made Southeast a good place, because without you, by now we must have been like or Sambisa forest. But because of your resistance, it has really helped us a lot. I said, let me thank you especially, because most times people ask me questions concerning you and other things. I said, well, this is a struggle. Agitation mustn't come from one person; it can come from different angles. So let everyone do whatever he or she can do to make sure we arrive at one goal. So that is my defense most of the times. So I thank you very much. We appreciate you. Some people love what you're doing, but you may not know because you're over there and we are here. But the report is out there. So I said, let me thank everyone. I'm calling from Nigeria anyway. I'm not in the UK. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ikechukwu Ejimako. Thank you for joining us today. We appreciate you. The next is Worry Sister. Worry Sister, open your mic and speak.
Oh, Batobie! Ikuku! Oh, Batobie! Ah, Guinea! My PM! My Baraguru! Oh, Tomuna Romuna! Itokuna Zuinoko! There is no one like you, my PM. I love you and you know it. We love you from the bottom of our heart from UK. We love you, sir. We love you too much. You are too much. You see, there is one space you went and you were talking and somebody came with spree, and you made a comment. You say, your voice irritates me. Change your English. Don't pretend. And they went mad. They went bizarre because I was in that group with you. So sometimes I know they like to speak their English where they borrow us. I like to speak my pidgin English, make it they sweet me for body. So my PM, I don't get too much. I won't use my widow's mind too. Make I give you small kodo. If you're not chopper now, you go must chopper when I come Finland. You don't eat to kodo once, you answer me later. You must eat to kodo. Go ask people about to kodo. You go must eat and when we come Finland. We go must look and join the menu. And all of, because I know Finland is very cold and in cold is very good for the cold weather. That's what I will use to salute you with my little widow's mind of 50 ejema. But I just want to ask one small question. You know me with my talk. You know, my question be say this Okwomaso, they talk say our side no be Biafra. So now they won't try to prove say because no be Biafra. Now make they won't pursue those people come out for the village, make they go plant their camp for that place, to put their base for that place, to see what you go fit do. I mean, I know you, and I know that you go fit do something. My PM, and I know that only you go fit do one. Forget the governor, he can't do nothing. Because now you be the president governor. And I just want, please, make you hear our cry for that Okwama. Because if they enter Okwama, they go enter Ugeli, they don't enter Worry. I will not want to make it happen. Then I want to when I want ask. And I beg, you know, say Biafra. Me, I know say Biafra don't come. People not know me, I know. I don't stand for dream too. Me, I know say if I pass Dubai. People will not get paper when they born Peking for Biafra. Even though they not get paper, their Peking go get paper. I be that Peking go stay 7 years like UK or 10 years before they go get paper. I salute you and may God bless you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much. That will be the Immigration Department to answer. We are going to be reviewing our immigration policy and immigration laws on a yearly basis. So what I will answer you now may end up being different from what we're going to implement. So that's the way it is. So we're going to be reviewing the law, the immigration law of Biafra on a yearly basis. So whatever I answer now, as far as the immigration issue, is not going to stand, because it is bound to change on a yearly basis based on whatever that is going to be the current situation at that point. Of course, our security, national security, will be the first priority of the government. So we make decisions and immigration policies based on that to protect the interest, security of our people. So whatever I'm going to answer you now may not be the answer to your question. Thank you. But of course, everything we do will be for the best interest of Biafra first. It's Biafrans first, before anything.
Thank you so much, RPM, for that wonderful answer. Thank you, Warwick sister, for asking that question. The next person is Kate. Kate, can you open your mic and welcome our PM and ask your question? Kate, are you close to your mic?
Yeah. Good evening, everyone.
Please, less than a minute, please. I'm going to be checking the time now.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Prime Minister. Welcome to UK. I'm so happy to see you. I remember when Mazen and the Kano used to shout, cry, I need 100 men, I need 100 men. And I want 100 men, I can't see them. And you voiced out that you are out, you are 50 men, he should look 50. Now, at a time, he was kidnapped. I nearly died. So when you came in, it's like I was born again. I said, thank you. May God bless you and protect you and their family. With that, I will use 50 Ejema to welcome you to UK. May God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Kate. Thank you for that, your support. The next is Flora. Flora's phone. Flora, can you open your mic? Flora, are you close to your mic? Okay, while we wait for Flora, Esther. Okay, Flora is now open. Please.
Hello,
go ahead.
Good evening, everybody.
1 minute, please. Are you close to your mic?
Yes. Can you hear me?
Wait for Flora. Yes,
I am
can
here.
I
am here.
Please.
Yeah.
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you very well.
Okay, sorry about that. That's my telly. Just want to welcome everybody, especially our Prime Minister, to this wonderful town hall meeting. I don't know if everybody can hear me. Hello?
Yes, we can hear you. Go ahead.
Okay.
1 minute, please.
I thank Prime Minister for visiting us in UK today. And without wasting time, I'm just going to use £200 to present to him Abacha and Afufa. I'm from Enugu State, precisely Unateze, Naira Unateze. And Abacha and Afufa is very trending when I was growing up. So I welcome our Prime Minister and I serve him with Abacha and Afufa. Thank you very much.
Thank you for that, Abacha and Afufa. Thank you. We appreciate. Esther Efidon, please, can you open your mic and speak? Esther, are you there? Okay, while we wait for Esther Ophidium, Chidera Oji, open your mic, please, and speak. Chidera Oji, are you there? Okay, Esther, your mic is open. Esther.
Yeah, I'm here.
How many?
Okay, Chidera, go ahead.
Am I coming out?
Esther, yes, Esther.
Can you hear me?
Chidera, please, can you just wait for Esther, please? Chidera, please wait for Esther. Esther, go ahead.
Yeah, can you hear me? Good evening, everybody.
Yes, we can hear you.
My hero.
1 minute, please.
My prime minister, my hero. Well, I want to go into so many questions. Greeting to the cabinet. Let me just ask one question because the time is limiting. Simon, when you were transiting in London and you were delayed, you told the man you will return. Were you thinking of what is happening now at that time? My prime minister, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. What is the question? I'm sorry.
My question is, when you were passing on transit in London, the immigration delayed you. After they cleared you, say you will come back. Now I'm asking, did you have the premonition that this is what you'll be doing at that time?
How did you remember that story?
I remember it because I've been following and I don't sleep until I hear from you.
Well, before that time, I have wished and prayed to God for an opportunity to deal with Nigeria. So
thank God Nina Pinyo Hosenayas, I will cut time short. I'm supporting your visit. I can't many abacha, but it for with so many of us. So welcome to London, my hero. I'm supporting with 50 pounds. I've put the mic down now so that I don't waste time. Am I still connected?
Thank you, Esther. Thank you so much. Thank you. I think Prime Minister has wanted to make a comment on what your question. PM, please go ahead.
No, actually, you know, I'm just surprised that she's asking about the story of that. So I'm looking at her, and I don't know how she have that in her, she carry it in her mind. It's kind of surprising, but there are a lot of things that you know, that made people to behave certain way towards their oppressors. You know, we have history of our people that were sold into slavery, and they rebelled against the masters or the buyers. So that's who we are. It's just that this has happened for a very long time. I'm telling you that every small child, you know, every young person that is from Biafra, thinking freely, will do exactly the way I'm doing. And that's why a lot of people are saying there are thousands of Simon, there are thousands of Mazinam Dekano. That is who we are. Only that the enemy has used terrorism to install fear, and because of they actually execute it, that's why nobody is actually talking. So when we have opportunity to stay in a safe place to fight our enemy, we fight with everything in us. So when this happened to me in the United Kingdom, in Heathrow Airport, I know that a day will come. In fact, I know I went back. I went back to make some trouble there with my European passport. So, and I was very satisfied with what I did in Heathrow that day. So, but it was not enough. The point is that the leaders in Africa has failed. It's not just about this Nigeria thing in Africa, and that's why many of us are Pan-Africanists. And so we cannot have all the natural resources. Biafra is going to be the beginning of civilization. We can't have all the natural resources. The position our resources put us, we should have free travel access to the United Kingdom, but it is not there. You suffer, you know, for you to get a visa, you will be molested, you will be insulted, you will be, you know, cajoled by people who are not even equal to what you are, intellectual-wise, educationally, and all that. They will be at the embassy to insult you because you carry Nigeria passport, and because the people who are making laws and policies in international relation with these countries are nomadic people. They are Fulanis who does not know anything about governance. They go into agreement, into negotiation that put you into this particular situation where you can struggle to get a visa. So in Biafra, we will make sure that we go into a relationship, into an international relationship or treaty that will put the Biafra citizen first. So if you know that you want to do business with us, you must know that our citizens are number one, just the way they do in the United Kingdom. The way they put their citizens first is the same way we're going to put Biafra citizens first. And who is more important than each other? Is it you that is looking for our resources, that is building your city, powering your electricity, your nuclear plant, everything? You don't have the resources. You don't have natural resources to build nuclear plant. We have it. So who need each other more? They need us more than we need them. And this is the difference. This is what they are trying to avoid. This is the reason they don't want us to be free. But we have come here to learn that in the secret they have. We know it. So we need them. They need us more than we need them, because what they are using to power London is coming from us. Everything they use to power the energy that gives you electricity using nuclear plant. What they use today to give you electricity in London is nuclear plant. Do they have the natural resources to build nuclear plant? The answer is no. We have it. So if you can have this kind of things that they need more than any other person, why wouldn't they recognize the fact that your citizens should be given some kind of preferential treatment by allowing you to come to the United Kingdom and go back at least 3 months? Brazil have this kind of agreement. Brazil doesn't have anything compared to what we give to the outside world. But every citizen of Brazil can travel to Europe free of charge without visa for 3 months. What stops you, the Africans, to negotiate such? Because the people that are ruling you in Africa are morons, stupid people. And we have come to change it, and it will start from Biafra. So a lot of experiences that we have had, very bad one, is boiling and bringing what we're doing today. And we are going to also solve this problem with the anger, accumulated anger. Thank you.
Thank you so much, our PM. Thank you for that wonderful answer. At least we know why you went back, and finally you are here telling them that BIAFRA is the only way, and there is nothing they can do about it. If they like, let them keep supporting Nigeria, but all we know is that we are going home. Thank you so much. We appreciate you for that wonderful answer and coming to join us today. The next on the list is Chidera Oji. Chidera Oji, you can open your mic now. Thank you for waiting.
Am I coming out?
Yes, you're coming out. 1 minute, please.
Okay. Yeah. I'm Mazi Kingsley Chidera. My Prime Minister, welcome to the UK. We are very, very proud of you, 100%. When Onyendu asked for 100 men and you came out as 50, I believe, strongly believe you're even more than 50, you're even more than 100 men in one. So thank you very much. We appreciate you so much. Our mobile Simon Biafra. Simon, we appreciate you so much. Thank you. And Chukwokika Biama will continue to protect you by his mighty power. So I'm welcoming Prime Minister with 50 pounds. I use my mic. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Chidera Oji. We appreciate you. The next is Christina Oberchi. Christina, please open your mic and ask your question.
Can I have my camera, please?
Your camera. Okay. Mazi Vam, can you open her camera, please? Christina Oberchi, can you open her camera?
I can try it. Open it.
Okay, you said try it now.
Okay, thank you very much, Pastor Van.
And every other person that needs camera on, please open your camera right now, please.
Hello, Biafrans. Good evening, Biafrans. Good evening, Biafrans. Almost hail Biafra. Almost hail Biafra. I just want to welcome our Prime Minister again in UK. Thank you for the good work you're doing. A lot of words has been said. But all I can say for the people who are still standing on the fence, they are not spiritual. Because I was watching our Prime Minister even before Onyendu asked us to watch him. I was watching him concurrently because I could feel the spirit in him. And I've been following him ever since. When our leader was kidnapped, I wouldn't say it's depression. I had nightmares. I had nightmares until our Prime Minister came and started giving us courage. And for that, I'll thank him eternally. I'm very, very grateful for what he's doing. And I thank God that he will be protected in whatever, the hosts of heaven will guide him. The host of heaven, the angels' army will guide him in his going out and in his coming in. Because Biafra needs him. We need him. Onyendu needs him. Because he always says, the freedom of Onyendu will come for what we are doing outside. Therefore, I say Onyendu needs him. We need him. So we pray every day, Biafrans, for his total and absolute protection in whatever he does, in his action, even in his inaction. We pray for complete discernment and the protection of Chukwokike. Well, I will support your visit, Prime Minister, with my humble 100 Ejemma.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, Christy. Thank you for coming around. You are always supporting, and we appreciate you. Thank you so much. The next is Bridget. Bridget, can you open your mic and ask your question?
All right.
Or make your comment.
Good evening.
1 minute.
Good evening, everybody. I don't have any question, but to welcome my Prime Minister, my Papa. Welcome to United Kingdom, Papa. I greet everybody in the house. A home of wonderful food, of fish and chips. So this evening, because this is Sunday, normally they serve pub dinner. So tonight I'm going to take you to have a roast dinner with Yorkshire pudding and a pint of lager. And that will be like 150 pounds. So PM, you are treated to a wonderful English dinner. You're welcome. You're welcome to UK. Welcome. Thank you.
Thank you, Bridget, for that English dinner. Thank you. That's our own dinner here. Thank you so much. Jack Obiora, can you open your mic and ask your question or make your comment? Jack Obiora. Jack Obiora, are you close to your phone? Yeah, go ahead. 1 minute, please. 1 minute.
Okay, yeah.
Yes,
the
we can hear you. 1 minute.
Of the Republic of Nigeria, I want to especially greet you this evening. I greet all the brigade ministers and members and my fellow Biafrans. I greet all of you. And our admin person in UK, I greet you. I greet everybody in the house. I welcome the PM with 100 Gemma. Thank you very much for coming to UK and the good work you are doing in this our struggle. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you so much, Jack. Jack, that your name, is it because I was like, Obi, is it Obiara? Is that how you? Okay, Jack is no more there.
Hello? Do you call me?
Amuche, I thought you have donated Amuche. Okay,
yes,
Amuche, you can go ahead.
Yes, I just want to tell minister that I've remitted my money. I've paid. I've sent him the receipt. You should control it.
Okay. Thank you so much.
And there's another thing I want to talk about. Permit me, please. We try to register.
Probably at the end. Amuche, so that we can also give other people a chance. Thank you. The next person is Ada Jesus. Ada Jesus, please, can you open your mic and ask your question?
Tu n'as visto tanto in Pakistan, lascia il ristorante, tu ti fare questo. Tu n'hai visto? Il ristorante, quando
Okay. Oh.
1 minute, please.
1 minute. Now.
Oh. Yes, go ahead.
Oh, good evening, everyone. I greet our Prime Minister EKPA for coming to the UK to see us. Apambo, Adobe, Ikedio. I say welcome with £100. No, Prime Minister, God bless you.
Thank you so much. That's a wonderful one.
And again, I don't have the address to pay the money into or bank details.
Okay, we are going to send it to you straight away.
Okay, and I've been a fan of this for a while. I pay money every month into an account given to us long ago for years now. I've been paying. I think it's IPOB, I don't know, but I pay money every month for so many years now.
Don't pay money to anywhere apart from the place the UK family is we give to you. So from this night, don't pay money to any place that is not confirmed.
I should stop it then.
Stop anywhere you are. Stop anywhere.
It was you that.
What is the address of the website?
I think it's IPOB. It's in US dollar. They take my money every month.
And the buy the no only konisi when I saw any many rock no basinketa. I say ko basinketa malo no ma. I think which kwa zero. And the cosidi and the kinero if be a Prime Minister kuni rock. Zodo kibia bo Iabo Igbo media kai sipo wene wotero nukozia do kemba gene ki wene kubasta maka ya bife kabaro ke drop on your comment your own suggestion ni endani ne Biafran Prime Minister Kuni Rawo. Thank you so much and stay tuned at Igbo media. Daro no munem kemesian.